Yes.
Yes, hello students. My name is Harrison and I'm a student of Microchip Solution Private Limited, and I'm studying desktop and laptop repairing course right here. I just want to let your students right there to know that this institute is a very good institute for IT solution, providing all the kind of IT solution that you require. So if you want to study desktop repairing and as well as laptop repairing, I advise you to study right here, because I'm very satisfied with the teachers, the way we teach things. We have enough equipment, facilities, everything you want, the tools for this IT solution providing course. Then we can be able to get satisfied with everything you want to do here. So, and another thing I want to say is I want to thank all the teachers right here and all other staff members and the students right here, including my very good tutor with me here. I want to thank him, how he has been very patient, providing the program for me, coaching me, making me to persevere and exercise patience in studying this program. Right now, I am a laptop technician. I have graduated from this institute, Microchip Expert Solution. I have my own firm and I coach some colleagues and they are very satisfied. Most of my students that I have trained so far, they are scattered all over the world. They are working with so many big companies. So I advise you all to register with this institute. Thank you very much.